June 2024. Fisker files for bankruptcy. 5,000 customers who paid $70,000 for electric cars wake up to a nightmare. Their cars stop working. Doors lock them inside. Brakes fail. Software dies. Fisker promised the future. They delivered a $70,000 paperweight. This is the Delisted. Henrik Fisker. He called himself the next Elon Musk. 2020, he launches Fisker Inc. The pitch? Luxury electric SUVs that would destroy Tesla. The Fisker Ocean, starting at $37,000. Beautiful design, rotating screen, solar roof, sustainable materials. Pre-orders flooded in. Thousands of people put down deposits. 2023, deliveries finally start. Customers pay $60,000 to $70,000. They're excited. They're getting the future. Instead, they got a disaster. Within weeks, owners report problems. The infotainment screen freezes. Doors won't open. Brakes randomly stop working. One owner gets locked inside his car, in the summer heat, for 40 minutes. Another owner's car loses braking power on the highway, almost crashes. Fisker's response? We'll fix it with a software update. The updates never came. March 2024, Fisker runs out of money. They stop paying suppliers, production halts, employees quit. June 2024, bankruptcy. Here's where it gets criminal. Fisker's cars require constant internet connection to function. Updates, features, even unlocking doors. When Fisker went bankrupt, they shut down the servers. 5,000 cars, dead. Owners can't update software, can't access features they paid for. Some cars won't even start. A $70,000 car turned into a brick overnight. And it gets worse. Fisker sold customer data to debt collectors before going bankrupt. Names, addresses, phone numbers. Now owners are getting harassed for loans they didn't even take out. One customer in California is suing. His Fisker Ocean has been in the shop for 8 months. Fisker won't fix it, won't refund him, won't respond. He's stuck with a $70,000 lawn ornament and a $900 monthly payment. But here's the real story. This wasn't Fisker's first scam. 2013, Henrik Fisker's first company, Fisker Automotive, went bankrupt. They took $200 million in government loans, built defective cars, went broke. Henrik walked away, started over. 2020, Fisker Inc. Same guy, same promises, different investors. He raised $1 billion, promised 40,000 cars by 2023. They built 10,000 total. Most don't work. Where did the money go? Henrik paid himself $4.8 million in 2023 alone, while the company was failing. Executives cashed out stock before bankruptcy, made millions. Customers? They got nothing. And now Henrik Fisker is gone, deleted his social media, disappeared. 5,000 people are stuck with broken cars, debt, and no one to sue. This wasn't a failed startup. This was fraud. That's the autopsy. Fisker, the next Tesla that was actually a scam from day one. $1 billion raised, 5,000 broken cars, and a CEO who did this exact same thing before. This is the Delisted. Hit subscribe. Next week, we're cutting open WeWork. See you then.